Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel here at Rob's Auto Detail. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Predator 2500 PSI pressure washer, or also known as the Harbor Freight pressure washer. Here I already did a little setup here. It's pretty much out of the box. Already comes all together. These things right here, they'll unscrew a little bit and you can flip this handle up and down. You got your nozzle tips right there. You pretty much just put the wand, the cable back there, down there, and right here goes your hose for the water supply. I wanted to make a little video on this because I didn't really see too much setups on the internet, on YouTube, and so I'll be doing one of these. I just wanted to tell you guys what I did with the fuel and the stabilizer and what you guys think. So I went and put fuel up to here where the line says on the 1 gallon. You guys can see it moving around right there because I already filled it up. So I went on and did about this much right here of fuel, and with the fuel stabilizer I went to here's the ounces, and on this side is the mLs. So I did just about 10 mLs. You can see right there there's a 5, then a 10, then a 15. I just went on and did 10. I measured it and I poured it in and I gave it a little shake. And I went on and filled up the gas tank here. It says not to fill up all the way, so you can let some fuel expand when it gets hot. Little tip here that I did was I went on and I used a funnel so I wouldn't get it all over the machine. It's still even with this thing, it's still spilled a little bit. If you guys can have a better idea, I didn't use that little tip that it comes with because mine was kind of leaking from the bottom anyways. So I just took the cap off and used this, and so that's how I filled that up. Oil, I went on and used their Harbor Freight STP oil, 10W30 synthetic blend. This is how much oil is left in the bottle. See it on the bottom right there? That's how much is left after I filled it up. So what I did, here I'll put you guys down right there. So hopefully the camera can pick it up. So you just pop this out, use another funnel. I actually just used the same funnel, I just cleaned it out really good. So I went on and added oil. So what you want to do is first get a clean view so you can know what you're doing. Get a clean view of it, clean it out good first, and then go right in and dip it right back in so you can check your oil level. So I was really picky on this. I was trying to see where I'm at, and at this time I believe I'm pretty comfortable with it. Got a little shaky hand right there. So it's just at the high level right there. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. Pretty comfortable with that. I'll go ahead and put that right back in. I'll probably use this a couple times and then do an oil change, because it does have a break-in period. So I think I'm gonna probably use it like I don't know, maybe 10-15 times, and then go ahead and dump the oil out. I believe this one's the oil plug. So I'll be doing an oil change on this for the break-in period. I should mention, guys, all these connections are pretty much they're really nice. They're brass, buttery smooth connectors. Now a quick little tip, it does say not to idle this thing, guys. So once you turn it on, go ahead and use it. If you're not using it, turn it off. You don't want this thing to stay on without use, because the water that goes in, it gets real hot and it can evaporate and damage your seals inside. So you really don't want that. And I should say too that you should fully read the owner's manual. I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing. Little tips here, but you want to read your owner's manual completely before you run this thing, because you can damage it if you don't. So enough talking, let's go ahead and turn it right up. Alright, here we go. Water's in, oil's in, fuel is in. Let's give it a first pull. Alright, little note here I didn't know. So I was laying it down like this, and I was with its own weight, it's pushing itself to fire. So it has this little safety trigger right here. Just push it up, and as you're moving around, it's not gonna fire in itself. I just noticed that right now. It's pretty cool. Alright, one thing to note here, once you're gonna start it, you have to push this thing to the left before you pull, and then once it's running, you're gonna go ahead and push it to the right. So I think right now, I'll turn it on right now. Go ahead and give this video a like, guys. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. I really appreciate it. I know this is gonna help out a lot of people because it's going in depth with what you gotta do here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Let me put you guys down here for a second. And right there. So you want to give it a nice pull. There you go, guys. We'll put this back to the start. Right there. Once you turn it off, you want to make sure you come back over here and you release all the pressure that's in the inside the system. Put the safety back on. It's kind of hard doing it all with one hand. Sorry, guys. Put it back down. That's pretty much it, guys. On this thing, it seems to have maybe it seems like it has a 1 or 2, maybe a 3. I'm trying to figure that out. Position. I'm not gonna mess with it right now. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you guys got any questions, put it down in the comments. But it started right up. No issues. I'm excited to try it out on my cars. So make sure your water system's on, never run it dry. And that's it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the future. Thank you. quick last note here, it's a 2-click. So when you have it out here on running, you come over here, you turn it off. It's a 2-click to the left. Click, click, and then it stays here. And now you're ready to go ahead and put it back on and pull the handle again. Alright, here's another note. If it's a cold engine start, you want it on the start position, and once it starts, move it over to the run position. And if you already turned it off and the engine's warm, you could just leave it on the run position. Just turn the switch on. See, that's what I'm telling you guys. You guys gotta read the manual that comes with the Predator instruction manual. Just another little tip there. And yeah, that's it. See you guys later.